day one of our camping trip, and before we head out, we have to drop off this guy. Hetty, are you excited? I think that's a yes. This is the back seat. It has been taken over. It looks like we're moving, actually. Trail of 100 Giants. Whoa! Oh my god, it's so big.
Wow, it literally looks fake.
No. Rue, where are you? Not RuPaul, Rue. Category is tall trees.
It's not, it's really wide.
Yeah, it looks wide.
Action.
No, this is wide. Like, I could do a cartwheel on it.
Do the cartwheel.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Are you okay back there? What do you think of the hike so far?
A walk to remember.
Do you want more? Like Mandy more? It's really nice to walk around and only hear real sounds of nature.
Don't fart.
That's part of nature. What you doing there? Yeah, use the extender, girl.
Oh,
are you okay?
God.
Yeah. Oh, is that your walking stick?
This is my train.
Yes.
James, what do you have there?
Massive stick.
Ooh, what are you gonna do with that
Keep
later?
the heat going all night long. So we are getting ready for dinner. We are making Korean barbecue. Just a little tour of what you got going on here.
So this is a cooking table.
Ah,
It folds up really easily, so it's very transportable. This main part right here, if I want to come around this side,
yeah, what is this all about?
This counter height
Ah,
cooking top. And it has this detachable windshield. Then we have counter space on the right side,
yeah.
and then more counter space on the left side.
Oh, I like this. What's this all
And we
about?
have a little cabinet.
Oh yeah, for more storage.
Yeah.
We're gonna be cooking brisket, pork belly, and pork bulgogi tonight. So we're in our tent, or actually I'm in our tent before it gets too dark. We have plenty of room here so you guys can see. This is our air mattress. It has a little headboard piece. I am getting our pillows set up. You need to tell me, what's so special about this lettuce?
Okay, so this lettuce is called Korean red leaf lettuce.
Uh-huh.
It's very buttery and soft.
It's called mukbang in the wilderness.
Mmm. I can taste the earth.
God, look at that.
Oh. She's beauty and she's great. Wait, did you guys get this at Mr. Barbecue?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, you guys are so smart.
Oh,
Oh.
slides.
Oh. Good? Oh, you look really good in this
Yeah,
light. Say
it's-
something.
yeah.
Say something cute.
Oh, cheers.
Yeah. Oh, your drink is filled again. You guys are included.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Champion? Oh, you never talked to... Oh. There's this Korean woman who is so fascinating. She only posts, what, once a week? But she... How long is how long is... Who was it that bought the goat? For
Oh, Angela.
the mother-in-law.
Yeah.
Future mother-in-law.
As we're stuffing our faces with shabu shabu, it was so weird. Look at Korean barbecue restaurant.
That's what it is.
With that one.
Our tents are gonna smell like meat tonight. Annyeong. You can eat it. I'm just.
To anyone, you better ring the alarm.
Good morning. It's day 2, and we are gonna wash our hair real quick before we start on today's festivities. We got our own barista in action.
Hi. What can I get you this morning? No muffins today. We ran out.
Already? We're the first customers.
Well, you know.
So just
So Shawn and Tom made some warm water for us. Okay, there you go. Want to bend over something? Just kidding.
should I get shampoo now?
Yeah.
That's so campy.
Good. Oh, nice and refreshing.
Oh, that feels so good. I think you're gonna like it.
Good morning.
So we just found a breakfast spot. Where are we headed?
Finally here.
Hey, we got the same one.
Oh, look at this view.
Oh, the breeze.
You know what? It was very strenuous, but the reward is there. We're at Tunnel Log Tunnel. Yeah.
You guys find Mark? It's like a highlights puzzle. Where is he? Whoa! Okay, we are on our way to the biggest tree. Is this in the world?
I think in the world.
In the world? Hopefully there aren't 5,000 steps to go see this one. So this trail is 0.4 miles. They said it's gonna be a steep walk back. So we'll see if we struggle again. Struggle buses come out once today. We're responsible for cooking tonight. Hopefully it goes better than yesterday. What are we making?
We're making yakitori with katsudon.
We're putting the katsu in now. Sizzle, sizzle.
I guess we only needed one.
I should have opened. We'll have extra. Ooh, maybe we can make like ramen with katsu or something.
Alright, for you ASMR lovers out there.
The one with the sesame seeds on it too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I love those.
We'll probably do 2 like per person because like katsu is so much.
The sauce that's consists of mirin, dashi, and soy sauce, and then onions. We're just kind of lightly cooking the onions right now. The whole idea is to also add some scrambled eggs.
Oh, so bring over the katsu, please. Katsu ready?
Namaste.
Katsu ready?
What? Well, what do I do when it's 1.5 pieces?
Well, just do the best you can.
One time you needed the green onions, you don't have it in your hand.
Just sprinkle some green onions. Let the egg cook for a couple seconds, and then
Yummy. Oh, girl.
These are even the radishes.
Take a bite.
I know.
How is it? Good?
oishi.
Oh.
I haven't tried this yet.
Chicken thigh with green onion. We also have our sauce here. We're salting
Just
these.
a little bit because this is served with the Thai sauce.
What's next? You're sticking it on the grill. Ooh. On
This is
fire.
legit. We could put him on this side too if you guys want.
Okay.
So we can... There you go.
Like, why? Like, but
Wow.
it's so.
Oh, that powder makes a big difference.
Guys, we are having late night snack. Ramen with cheese.
Look at the cheese.
Pray for me that I don't get diarrhea in the morning. But look at this. Oh, yes. Shin ramyun. 감사합니다.
Oh, get my muscular arms and chest.
Oh, but look at that tan line though.
Oh no.
Ooh. Good morning. Today, day 3. We're gonna be enjoying breakfast compliments of Chef Tom.
Hey guys,
We got some scrambled eggs.
some leftovers from yesterday's dinner to go into an omelet.
Looks like we have my favorite hash browns. Where's the hash browns for everyone else? Pancake batter? So we're gonna be making pancakes very soon.
Some gluten-free pancake. And look how fluffy and perfect this is.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you for waiting. I know
It
food's a little
really,
cold.
It smells really good.
Yeah, the pancake. Yeah,
Get
bacon.
that syrup on there.
Mark's gonna lead us with prayer.
The eggs are really good with the
Oh, really?
spinach and the onions.
Perfect leftovers.
Was really cute this morning because he did ask, "Oh, how do you guys like your eggs?" And then James was like, "Sunny side or whatever." And then he's like, "You know, but Shawn likes scrambled, so we're gonna do scrambled."
That's nice.
No, I said I was gonna do.
That was not the version of the story I remember.
No, I was gonna make scrambled just for Shawn, and then take individual orders. And then Mark's like, "I would like mine." I don't know what you said, poached or something. I don't know.
But I'm surprised it even fluffed up.
Mm-hmm.
But what's the base? What is it, almond flour?
I think
Yeah.
so.
I don't like this.
Why?
What if that had fallen on my thighs?
We're gonna explore our campgrounds right now. It's been 10 seconds into the hike and I'm tired.
It's a Mongolian structure.
Oh, it's like a creepy rocking chair in here. Are we allowed to be in here? Ooh, a futon. Oh, the little skylight here. Into the woods. Into the woods. 나를 사랑해. 많이 많이 해. 수줍은 때 붙지 마요. 지금이니 너와 지금 말아요. Woo! Comeback special in the woods.
The toilet?
It's dirty.
Disgusting.
Keep going.
Okay, foul.
Oh, okay. So it's, go along with that
Foul?
beginning letter sound.
Oh, time's up. Sorry.
Already?
Yeah.
Slang term for getting high. I am so...
Huh?
I'm so blinked off
Wake.
of this blunt.
I'm so freaking high. I'm so.
Oh no,
Wake.
we're gonna collect wood.
Why are we only doing 2 rounds?
So we are getting lunch started and we are doing hot dogs.
Hot dogs. Yeah, there were other campers that happened to leave these coals behind.
Grilling corn. What are those?
This is just a regular beef hot dog, and then this one is
Looks girthier.
yeah. This one is from Costco. I forget. It's like a
Ooh.
Hot Links kind of thing.
Oh, hey, extender and all?
Probably 2 at a time, right?
Ooh, the smoke is getting
What
it.
was that? I was gonna.
This is vegan butter, so it's really healthy.
Oh.
Here in our compound, we all have a role.
And each roll is just as important. Don't make me laugh. The hot dogs are gonna touch the charcoal. Fire. All right, I'm gonna take a bite. Mmm. These are good. Get it? Oh. Oh.
It's naturally sweet.
Just wrapping up, cleaning our campsite. This is our last night here. So we have dinner planned. We're having steak and lobster with baked potatoes. Super exciting.
We got some very nice grass-fed ribeyes for one for everyone, and then some lobster tails, grilled asparagus.
And you have baked potatoes going on.
Baked potatoes going on, and our banana graham champion.
Ooh.
To help with something, and she had the U.S. Postal because the mailman just leave out like
Famous slaw.
This is the slaw, red cabbage with some dill and some shallots, Dijon mustard, carrots. What else?
Compound butter time.
ooh.
Ooh. Melt, girl, melt. You cut 5 like there's gonna be a 5th.
Master behind the dinner.
This is our last dinner in Sequoia. We are eating ribeye steak, baked potato with all the fixings, lobster tail, asparagus, King's Hawaiian roll, this delicious salad, and we're gonna toast before we start.